Chapter 3. The Discovery. The next day...
You wanted to see me, Larry?
My name is Sam.
Whatever.
Take a chair.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
You said I could...
Sit down!
I'm still keeping the chair, Larry.
Look, we've had tons of complaints about your show. You're mean to the children, you're rude to the staff. You don't show up to work, you tell lies constantly. You steal people's lunches, you have poor hygiene. You're the worst employee we've ever had.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're bound.
Get out, you're fired.
That's not fair!
Meanwhile, what you doing, kid? I just made a discovery, Papa. Super brain dolls contain a chemical GR2. In high doses, it causes super anger. Look, this morning, an ant stole one of my super brain dots, and she started eating it. First, she got psychic brain powers, yeah, and she started moving things with her mind. Then came the super anger. I'll get you. I drew these fliporamas to show the progression. The progressive stages of super anger and fliporama. Stage 1. Anger. Ant versus ant. 11:15 a.m. Stage 2. Angrier. Ant versus beetle. 11:17 a.m. Stage 3. Super anger. Ant versus kid with magnifying glass. 11:30 a.m. Gunk. Okay, so what? This proves that Flippy was innocent. Flippy? Isn't he that bionic fish who tried to kill me? Yeah, but it wasn't his fault. The overdose of GR2 made him super angry. That's why they put him in fish jail. But he's changed, Papa. He's my friend now. He's even in my comic club, see? We make comics for each other every day. I don't want you getting involved with that crazy fish. It's too late, Papa. I already sent my findings to Sarah. She's gonna do a news story about it. Alright, let's go. Where? I need you to hold the ladder for me. Why? Because your grandpa stole the letters from our sign. So I'm gonna put some new letters up. Hey, what happened to Grandpa? He got busted by the cops. He's in cat jail now. Oh. We should visit him. Are you crazy? I never want to see that guy again. But he's your papa. Yeah, and he betrayed me. But he's my grandpa. He betrayed you too. Trust me. That guy doesn't care about anybody but himself. But Papa, we are not visiting your grandpa, and that is final. End of chapter 3.